Hey everyone, welcome back to TechByte tutorial. If you're a developer or planning to start your journey in web development, you've probably come across this big question: React.js or Angular? Which one should you learn? Which one is better for your project? Today, we'll break it all down in simple terms. Let's get started. First up, React.js. Developed by Facebook, React is a JavaScript library used for building interactive UIs. It follows a component-based architecture and primarily focuses on the view and the model view controller (MVC) pattern. React is known for its virtual DOM, which makes updates faster and improves performance. It's also highly flexible, meaning you can integrate it with different libraries or frameworks. Now, let's talk about Angular. Unlike React, Angular is a full-fledged framework developed by Google. It follows the MVC pattern and provides everything you need: routing, state management, HTTP services, and more, all built in. Angular uses TypeScript, which adds static typing and enhances code maintainability. However, it has a steeper learning curve compared to React due to its complex structure. Let's compare React and Angular across some important factors. React's virtual DOM makes it faster for UI updates, whereas Angular's real DOM can slow things down in large applications. React is easier to learn, while Angular has a more structured approach that requires understanding concepts like dependency injection. React is just a library, so you need additional tools for things like state management, Redux, or routing. Angular, on the other hand, comes with everything built in: community and popularity. Both are popular, but React has a larger community and more job opportunities, making it a great choice for beginners. So, when should you choose React, and when should you go for Angular? If you need high performance, flexibility, and a lightweight solution, go with React. If you're building an enterprise-level application that needs built-in solutions for routing, forms, and state management, Angular is a solid choice. So, which one is better? It depends on your project and personal preference. Both React and Angular have their strengths. If you're a beginner, React might be the easier start. If you prefer a structured, all-in-one framework, Angular could be the way to go. What do you think? Are you Team React or Team Angular? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechByte tutorial for more web development content. See you in the next video.